Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Facebook story. So first thing first, open the profile that you need to, then click copy link right here, and then go to your browser like Safari, then go to link bravedown.com/Facebook, then dash video dash downloader. Go. So after that, scroll down a little bit until you find, enter your URL. So click on that, then paste the link, then click download right here. Then after that you'll see download completed successfully. Please scroll down to view the result. So scroll down. As you can see, there is 3 stories. So the first one, second one, and third. So just click on first one. Now you can choose the resolution on even type MP3 or MP4 or download photo. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.